madali lang yan. Okay? Now, pag grammar, again, pag ganito naman, I think we've met before. Ibig sabihin, may sentence. Tapos, yung sentence, ito turn into
Question.
question. Okay? So, paano siya? I think we've met before. Parang nagkita na tayo. 'Di ba? Parang ganun siya in Filipino or in translation. Now, Coach, paano ko po malalaman kung ano yung dapat na gamitin ko na verb? Pag itatransform ko na sa question yung isang sentence. Simple. Look for the helping verb. What is the helping verb?
Weave.
With. Ano ang complete thought ng with? Ito ang verb.
We have.
We have. So, ibig sabihin, ano ang helping verb nyo dyan?
Haven't we? Haven't we?
No. Sa we have, ano ang helping verb dyan?
Have.
Have. Okay? Si have ang inyong helping verb. Now, the question is, paano na po? Oh, Coach, nalaman ko na kung ano yung verb dyan. What is the next step? Now, change the value of your verb. Paano po i-change yung value? So, si have, positive siya. You will just have to turn it into negative. Ano ang
Have not.
negative ni have?
Not.
Have not.
Haven't.
Have not or
Have
haven't. Right? So, si have, positive, gagawin natin siyang negative. Pero kasi, ang correct verb natin, ang correct helping verb natin ay weave. So, dapat isama natin si
We have.
we. So, the correct answer here is
Have not we?
haven't we is the correct answer. Okay? Kasi this one is in positive. Gagawin nyo siyang negative pag itatransform nyo na siya into question. So, for example,
Wala po ba?
okay, paano naman pag ganito? You have a class.
Have you?
Haven't you?
Very good.
Wala.
Okay? Okay, very good. Haven't you is the correct answer. Kasi si have, ang inyong verb, so siya ay positive. So gagawin natin siyang negative dito. So dadagdagan nyo ng haven't or haven't you. Okay, para kumpleto yung sentence. Do you get the point?
Yes po.
O, paano naman pag negative yung verb?
Positive yung
Turn to
question.
Yung sa question,
Make
magiging
it positive.
na siya. Okay? Wala po bang nalilito? Nakakasabay po ba ang lahat?
Yes po.
Opo.
Okay, very good.
Yes po.
Okay.